Hey, hello guys. Welcome to my daily analysis video. Let's look at the best swing trading breakout stocks for tomorrow. So, as you already know, I am holding this Cipla stocks for a while now. And today I exited this trade below morning low, which was already below yesterday low. That was some kind of a mistake. I planned it like that, but I think that's a mistake. I should have held it till this swing low as I am planning to trade it for a swing. That would be a good exit strategy. But somehow I already exited it. No problem. I exited it around 12:38 or 12:37. And so there was one couple of more stocks that we discussed yesterday. One of them was Map My India yesterday. But my plan was to trade this after a nice consolidation here. But this stock today went up like 7%. I was looking for an entry in this stock, but there was no entry in the lower time frame. If you see, which is within the first 10 to 15 minutes only, it went up till 20 to 50. From there, it gave a small breakout in the afternoon session, but yeah, from there it didn't move much. So, but I did not enter this trade here. Yeah, this was something we discussed about yesterday. Mm, and we have SRF. I think we had this stock yesterday in the list, but this did not move yesterday. But this is still looking good. No, I think we did not discuss about this yesterday. I got this stock later in the day into my watch list, so but it did not move. So we can keep this stock for trading tomorrow. If you see, this went up straight from 2100 to 2350. Like it's a very good move, around 20%, I think, 15 to 20%. Currently, we are seeing like 6 to 8 days of consolidation, and the 10-day MA moving average is not very close. Yeah, it's close only, but not very close. So, but if this stock opens tomorrow strong and breaks out, yeah, this is a very good stock for a swing trade because it has a lot of momentum buying happened earlier, and we could see the reduction in volumes in this thing. So we can definitely buy this stock, but if there is a breakout tomorrow. And yeah, so MapMindia, Cipla, these were the only two stocks that performed well today. I also, so let's, and one more thing, today I bought Sun Pharma. I think the Sun Pharma. So yesterday I had this in my watch list. This is the only stock that acted as per my plan. So yesterday was high was around 1185 for a 84 or something. Yeah. So today it opened higher, and I bought this above morning high around 1186. So because it consolidated after breaking out yesterday's high, but and later on breakout higher. So I bought it here. Most of the day it didn't move much, but yeah, it is. I have purchased this today, so hope it will move. And one more stock that is looking good for tomorrow is Loda. See, same kind of price action happened here. It it did this is there in my watch list yesterday also, but they did not give a good entry to me today. So I'm still planning to trade this tomorrow if there is a good entry and with a good risk reward. So yeah, this is looking good. One more stock that I have is SBI Life. If you see, I have noted it looking great on weekly. This is more of a weekly chart pattern, which is looking very nice on weekly. So I want to see a very strong open above maybe yesterday opener, like near the open of yesterday and a breakout above morning high. So I would definitely look to buy this stock if it acts accordingly. If it opens within the range, I wouldn't buy this stock.